World largest Victorinox. Check this out. So looks like there's a certificate and it's 83 uses for it. You can pause the video and read through all of the uses if you wish to. We're not gonna do that right here. This is so crazy. It has to come apart because look at that. If I have to take off all the parts, it's gonna take me forever. Wow, that comes off. The Allen wrench, that's crazy. So I guess you can take it off. Also looks like it's going to be some kind of grip. There's other screwdrivers out here that come off. Interesting. There's pliers. I wouldn't even know how they work. There's a wine opener and a screwdriver. Flow off a little bit. This is so cool. So I wouldn't even know how to open some of the stuff. But look, there is a knife. There's another knife. There's tweezers. You see nail clippers, I mean. There you go. Nail clippers. That's hilarious. Flip this over. It has to come off and take apart somehow. But there you go. There's some tools over here. Screwdriver, measuring tape. Yeah, there's some measuring tape in here. Just a little bit. Whatever this for. Again, there is actual tell you what these things are for and things like that. What is this? Is this a compass? Yeah, there is a compass built in there with the ruler. That's hilarious. I wouldn't even know how to open some of this stuff. What is this? Mini screwdriver set built into the knife. That's pretty crazy. Maybe that's what this stuff is well too. Yeah, some of them don't even open. You come off this way somehow. I don't even want to mess with it too much. How does the comes out the pliers? Allen wrenches. But yeah, this thing is insane. Because it's just super collectible, I don't want to mess with it too much. But yeah, I think you got push on that and the whole thing will come off. Look at that, there's like metal cutters and things like that. I wonder how plier works. Can't figure it out how to take them out. Ooh, there you go. There's pliers. Lock it in, and I guess the same thing right here. Anyways, just a super unique Victorinox, don't you guys think? This is definitely one of a kind. They sell for over $3,000 on eBay. I think there's one for sale right now. They're asking $9,000 on eBay. But yeah, the world's biggest Victorinox. 83 tools on this Victorinox. Pretty amazing.